July 24, 2018, in solidarity with freedom struggle of Kashmiri martyred youth leader Burhan Wani, Pakistan issued commemorative option A postal stamp. Which pass connects Mardan with Malakand? Dargai Pass. Option C. The D8 is an organization of 8 Desh countries, developing countries. Which country hosted the first ever women only foreign minister conference? Canada. A person crosses a 600-meter long street in 5 minutes. With what is his speed in kilometer per hour? Option B 7.2. Choose the near antonym of brusque. Option C courteous. Excessive bleeding is caused by the deficiency of vitamin K. Option D. Choose the word that has incorrect spelling. Pronunciation. Option C. CIATION होता है CI नहीं. Cold start refers to. Option D a military doctrine. 70. Coal formation has 4 stages. Its third stage is known as option A bituminous. Dash is located at the border between Sindh and Indian state of Gujarat. Option B Shakul Lake. Recently, Fez International Festival was held in Lahore. ये बात हो रही है 2018 की, जब ये टेस्ट कंडक्ट किया गया था. अगर हम आज देखें 2024 में, तो भी लाहौर में ही फेस्टिवल हेल्ड हुआ है. कैप्रियस इज़ डिस्प्यूटेड बिटवीन ग्रीस एंड इटली. ऑप्शन बी. विच कंट्री इज़ प्लान टू लॉन्च आर्टिफिशियल मून बाय 2020? It's China. So option D none of this. The population of a town is increased by 1,75,000 to 2,62,500 in a decade. The average percent increase of population per year is option B 5%. Choose the near antonym of vague. Vague means blurred, unclear. Antonym is option D definite. The point on the Earth's surface vertically above the focus of an earthquake is called epicenter. Choose a word that has incorrect spelling. Option A calibrate. Calibrate में E नहीं A आता है CALI. Post Cold War international system is generally characterized by unipolar. Option A. Who is known as the father of artificial intelligence? Option C Johann McCarthy. Johann McCarthy. Which country faces a war with Houthis in Yemen? Iran. Chogori and Savag Mountain are other name of option C K2. OIC member state from South America are option B Colombia and Suriname. Who recently, November 2018, led IMF mission to Pakistan? Option B Harold Finger. A candidate scored 20% and fails by 50 marks, while another candidate who scored 40% marks get 30% marks more than the minimum required marks to pass the exam. Find maximum marks for the exam. Option D 400. What is a synonym of meek? Option D submissive. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Choose the right option to correct the sentence. The boy with his parent live in the house next to ours. Option D lives in the house. Catalonia, roughly a triangular region in the northeast of Spain. Glaucoma is a disease of eyes. An adaptation of folk tale Umar Marvi was broadcasted on Pakistani TV Corporation as Marvi in 1993. Was written by option A Nurul Huda Shah. In accordance with 25th Constitution Amendment, the total Senate seat will be reduced to from existing 104 after the retirement of FATA Senate in 2024. ICC Women T20 World Cricket Final 2018 was won by Australia by defeating England. Somal ranked 17 from the top and 15 from the bottom of the list respectively. Total number of students are 30. What is the synonym of extravagant? Option B lavish. Natural gas provided in homes is CH4. Choose the right option to correct the sentence. Option C are signed. The famous Dishte Lut desert is located in option C Iran. Which of the following is not an electromagnetic wave? Sound wave is not electromagnetic. It's all about past paper 2019. Allah Hafiz.